Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create a coupon code in WooCommerce for your WordPress store in 2025. For that, first of all, you will have to simply come into the admin panel of your WooCommerce store. Over here, you need to simply hover over to the left hand section and you need to just go to marketing. Now, once you press your cursor towards marketing, you will see the option of coupons. So you need to simply select that option and wait for some time until it redirects you on this page. Now over here, simply select the option of create your first coupon, and then it will give you further options of creating the coupon codes. So over here you can just type the coupon code which you want and then click on the generate coupon code option. Underneath it you will see a bunch of different coupon datas, like you can just fix the card discount. You can select any of these as per your choice. You can just select the coupon amount and you can select the coupon expiry date as well. So once you are done with your setting, you need to click on the publish option, and this way you will be able to create a coupon code in WooCommerce. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.